Hi, I'm Ali and I've just opened up this amazing Fascia Lift Method community. So it's a space where we can all practice together. Now, I've been a facialist for the last 8 years and I'm really passionate to help you on your skincare journey. I also have a YouTube channel with over 85,000 subscribers and I've also produced 2 ebooks on the Fascia Lift Method. Now this is open to anybody from 20 onwards, so no age is required, and it's going to be a real fun community where we can all chat and really connect to each other as well. Now it's going to be starting off with the 7-day Fascia Reset Challenge, and this literally starts from the collarbone. We begin working our way up from the neck, the jawline, also the masseter muscle where we hold on plenty of tension, also then working on the cheekbone area and then the eye area, coming up towards the forehead and then finishing off with the scalp, which we tend to forget. If we hold plenty of tension in the scalp, and if the scalp is quite tight, it pulls everything forward. So you need to really release this so then everything else lifts up naturally. We're going to be doing some great breath work as well, and also great posture work, which is really important. So then everything's in alignment for maximum blood flow and circulation to the area as well. So I really hope you're going to join me on this community and be maybe one of my first founding members. And I look forward to seeing you inside. Okay, bye.